Hello friends, how are you? So here we are going to start our assignment number 7. So this is assignment number 7. The problem statement it is given as follows. You work for Zentrix Software and Co. You have been assigned the task of updating the master branch of their Git repository with all the features from the feature branches. Following is the GitHub account. Okay, consider feature 1 branch to be public branch and feature 2 branch to be private branch. The company relies on monolithic architecture and for now all the codes resides in one file, that is main.c. Respective features have been added in the feature branches for main.c. Meanwhile, a security patch was made to the master branch and now feature 1 and feature 2 branches are behind from master branch by one commit. Tasks to be performed: update feature 1 and feature 2 branch with the security patch. Apply changes of feature 1 and feature 2 branches on master. Finally, push all the branches to GitHub. For solving this, please uh, fork the repository to your GitHub account and then work as a solution. Please submit your GitHub's repository link. Okay, so this is the assignment that we have to do. Okay, so let me explain this statement little bit. Okay, so it is given here you work for a Zentrix software. Okay, it is the name of company for which we are working. Okay, and we have to do the updation on the master branch. Okay, of the Git repository. Okay, so here the link is given for the repository that having some code. Okay, so the important thing is that we have to do the updation. Okay, and then okay we have to push the changes to master branch. Okay, with all the features. Okay, so what the thing we have to consider, we have to consider feature branch should be public. Okay, and feature to branch should be private. It means that feature branch will also be pushed to GitHub. Okay, and feature to branch will not be pushed to GitHub. Okay, it is saying that company relies on monolithic architecture. Means we are having a single file known as main.c, and in the same main.c, whatever the updations or adding of features we wanted to do, we will do there. Okay, so the respective feature has been added. Okay, to feature branch for main.c meanwhile security patch. Okay, so it is given here that we have two branches, feature 1 and feature 2. So we will add some feature from, we will do some security patches. See, we will add some feature from feature 1 branch and then we will add some feature from feature 2 branch, and after that we will do commit. Okay, we will do commit on the master branch. Okay, if I said master branch as main, okay, so let it be, then we will make a commit to master branch. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to update feature and feature to branch with a security patch. So we have to provide security, we have to update feature 1 feature 2 features along with security patches. Okay, and then we have to apply changes to feature 1 feature 2 branch, and this is done by merging and then pushing all the changes to GitHub repository. Okay, so this is the assignments. So now let's do how we can do this. Okay, so here okay, so now let's see. So first of all we initialize the Git. Okay, so where is the repository? So here is the repository. Okay, and we will find it here. So this is the link. If we click over that particular link, we will come to this repository. Okay, okay, so in the question it is saying about a repository. Okay, that is named as merge conflict git. Okay, so I had fork that repository and name that as assignment number 7 repo. Okay, so this is that repository, so we have to work with this repository. So this is already made a repo, we have to clone this to our local machine. So in order to clone, we will just copy this URL and then just clone it. So I will write git clone and then URL. Okay, so whatever it is there, it will be cloned. So here you can see that a new folder has been created. So we will go to that new folder. Okay, then it is a repository. If I write git branch, so you can see there is a master branch. Okay, so what's there inside the master branch? There is a file known as main.c. Okay, or more clearly I can say there's a file that is known as main.c file. Okay, so as per question, it is saying that we have to update feature 1 and feature 2 branch with the security patch. Okay, and it is saying a security patch was made to the master branch, and now feature 1 feature 2 branches are behind for the master by one commit. Okay, so we have to update feature 1 feature 2 branch along with security patch. Okay, fine. So it is little bit confusing that when we wanted to make the security patch. Okay, so I am just considering that first of all we make the security patch. Okay, okay, see friends, security patch generally refers updation of software, or if we say if we add a new feature, so its release is the security patch. So obviously, it is obvious thing that if we do some updations, if we add a feature 1 and feature 2, then after that whenever we do the release, or whenever we push the changes to GitHub, so that will be a security patch. Okay, but main thing is that security patch is there for solving a issue. Okay, understand. So in order for making security patch, we just do the updation by adding feature 1 and feature 2. So I hope I can understand, I feel that you are not able to understand, so just focus what I am doing. Okay, so here I have my repo, but still it is not authenticated because what. Okay, so we will see that later. Now we have main.c. Okay, so we have main.c file. So I think I wanted to create a new repository known as feature 1, and in feature 1 we are going to add a feature. So I will write get, I will create a branch, feature 1. Okay, then I will go to feature 1 branch. I just sitting over the feature 1 branch, and now I will add a feature to main.c file. No, I will use nano editor. Okay, so I will write a code, that is code for feature 1, control plus s and control plus x. Okay, then git add git, I will do commit, and I will set feature 1 added, and then we will merge this feature 1 to our main branch. So I will just check out to the main branch. Master, it is master branch, sorry, that branch is master branch. Okay, and then merging feature 1. So feature 1 has been added and merged. Now I wanted to add feature 2, and for adding feature 2 we have to create new feature branch. So I will create new feature branch. Okay, so here I will add a feature 2. There is a main.c file, I will add a feature to main.c file. So here I will write code for feature 2. So considering this a code for saving and exit, and then I will do a commit. Git add, git commit, and in git commit what I will write that I will write that okay. So now I wanted to merge the feature to branch, so I will just check out to master branch, and I will just merge feature to branch. Okay, so now I had merged the feature to branch. Now it's time to push the changes. Okay, because I had added feature 1 feature 2 branches, now push the changes, but it is given here that feature 1 should be public and feature 2 should be private. So since feature 2 is private, so we are not going to push the feature 2 branch. We will only push feature 1 branch, okay, along with master branch. Okay, so I will push. In order to push, I will add git sh origin, git push origin main and feature 1. Okay, sorry, 1 feature 1. I'm sorry, the branch name is master, main is just the file. Okay, not asking for username or password. So username is available over here, it can be easily find out. Okay, but when it asks for a password, so how to generate the password? See, we generate the token. Okay, so how to generate a token? We just go to the setting, and in setting we have developer options. Okay, developer setting, and from here we create a personal access token, that is a classic token. Okay, generate a new token. I will write my token 02. Okay, my token 02, and generate token, and whatever the token has been generated, we will copy it and use it as a password. Okay, let's try once more. Okay, let's try once more. So I will write git push origin master and feature 1. Okay, so it's asking for username and password, so we already know what was username. This is my username. Okay, and password. See, I will create if we go to my, see, I will tell from starting. So you have to go to the setting, and from setting you have to go to the developer setting, and from developer setting, okay, you have to go to the personal access token. There is a classic token. Okay, we have to generate what? We have to generate a this classic token. Okay, I will write name my token 02. Okay, and I will give the two permissions. Okay, well, this is not required, but still I like to give it. Okay, it will be useful for advanced part. Okay, so I had created token, and I will use this token as a password. Okay, so finally it is saying that writing objects 100%. It shows that we had successfully pushed. Okay, so see, if we go and see the commit, so there are three commit. It is saying that commit has been done, feature 1 added, feature 2 added. Okay, and if we again go to back, so we can see that there are only two branches, that is master and feature 1. Feature 2 branch does not came because it was private. Okay, so by this way our assignment has been finished. So friends, I hope this session was useful for you and you really enjoyed it. Okay, so keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.